Hello guys, welcome to another new video, and in this video we are going to talk about how to find Facebook hidden friend list. So first of all, you need a Facebook account. Once you have a Facebook account, now you can do whatever you want. So I already have an account, so right now I want to hide my friend list so no one from my Facebook friend can easily show it. So for that reason I need to follow some step. So let's dive into the video. First of all, you need to go on your profile, click on profile icon and then click live, and once you enter this page you need to go on this option. You will find out after the profile name the friends option. Just click over here. Once you click over here, you have a friend. In my profile I have only friend, that's me. So now I just want to hide my all friend options so no one can view it or show it. So now I need to click on this right side corner three dot button. Once I click over here, you can see we have an option for edit privacy. Just click over here again and it will give you this pop-up. Here you can see we have edit privacy, and you can see we have a friend list option, following option, follower option. So remember, you can change your friend list public, friends, or only me. So I am going to make it only me for me. Even if you want to do anything, like if you want to show your follower, you can leave it like this way. So now I will click over here public. Once I click over here, you can see they call me that select audience. You can choose friends for, if you can choose for friend accept, then you have also a specific friend. So I am going to choose only me. Just click over here and then save, and this is that much easy. I hope you can do it right now, and this is the new step for after updating Facebook. So it will be not difficult for you right now after watching this video. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you found out this video is helpful, then don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. I will catch you next video.